Hi, let's get started with this worksheet. In the first activity, look at the image and help your child say the names of the birds and count them. In the second activity, let's learn the letter of the week. The letter B makes the sound B. Words which begin with the B sound are B, B, book, B, B, butterfly, B, B, balloon, B, B, banana. Did you know that you can also ask your child to show you some objects in your house beginning with the B sound? The third activity is a fun story. Watch the video with your child and then discuss with them about any dogs or cats staying near your house. Play and learn and have fun. Let's listen to the story. Dumro dog and Duffly cat are friends. They like to play with each other. They stay on the street near a school. When school gets over, the children from that school play with Dumro and Duffly. The children give them some food and water. Dumro and Duffly are very happy.